Hey Diecast lovers, it's Marcus from Diecast World, and today I take you for the trip for peg hunting. We visit few stores. We are in Great Manchester. It's Saturday, so let's have a look. The first stop is Morrisons. So let's have a look. Okay, so we are in toy section. Let's have a look if there is anything. Alright, there is box of Hot Wheels. Sweet. Something else? No, so let's have a look. What we have here on the box. Mix, long card, short card. War is not a treasure. To be honest, this La Troca, it looks really nice. Nice cars today. Mistakes. It's on the Porsche. Oh, nice. Mazda Repo. I like this one. Let's go. Another Japanese car. Tribune, we take them. Lots of cars. Another Nissan. Oh, this one looks nice. Wow. Barbie Extra. so nothing else. So take back. Wrong card. I take this one today. Some strip. Hey guys, so Morrison done. Not too bad. They surprised me. They be few really nice cars, the Japanese cars. So I take the Honda S 2000s, and now time for donut and next door. Alright guys, next door, I not be lie, it's one of my favorite one. So we go to Smith. After that we go visit home Bergens, but now we're going to the Smith. Let's have a look what treasure hunts maybe, or super treasure hunt we can find it. But to be honest with you guys, I'd be very happy if I find that some premium cars. I'm looking for cool combi, the new one. So let's have a look what we can find there. Okay, some 5 packs. Now, hiya, you alright? Not too bad, thank you. Okay, so what we have here? Some garage. Alright, some monster trucks. Still some cars from DC. Some characters. Some Jurassic World. Okay, we have some premium cars. We have Toyota, so people asking about this one, and it's only for $6.99. We have Toyota. Whoa. Some paper news as well, and just few normal American cars. This one looks nice. Mazda RX-7 in this color, red color. Yeah, it's really nice. some trucks, some garage, and this is what I buy last time. Soon maybe video on the channel to show unboxing and review the Mario Kart Rainbow Race. What I think about this one now. So we have a look. Alright guys, just out from Smith. If you see on the video, maybe very poor of mainline cars, maybe some premium cars, really nice. That I've got few of this Toyota, so maybe no options to buy another one. So maybe next week. That's why I had a pack hunting looks like. So you never know what you can find in the store, and maybe hour ago that someone else be there and find some nice cars. You need just be consequence with this what you do. So I'm sometimes visit some cars 3 times a week in different times. Sometimes I'm lucky and just drop it some fresh delivery. Sometimes you cannot find what they be there. Maybe some characters cars. I have the Star Wars what I showed you before, but now we're just coming to Homburg games, so let's have a look what they have here. Alright, some bags. Mercedes-Benz. 2 of them. I'm just thinking I find you guys know what I'm thinking I find it, but that one not bad. Are you? Batman. Yes! Okay guys, we're looking for this duck, so we have first treasure hunt. So happy. Good. So this is what I told you before. There is another store where you just come. I be here a few days ago, and they be really not too many. Chevy looks as well. Really nice. Maybe so close. So let's have a look next. It's definitely fresh car. This fire beer as well. Looks nice. guys, it's different of the price. So when you've been on Morrison, maybe £2 per car. We on home bargains, there is only 1.49, so 50p difference. But this one, I'm very happy to find this one today. So happy days. They don't have more cars, they got different toys, but this is what we're looking for. Okay guys, so nice treasure hunt for the end of the hunting, so very happy. I'm looking for this duck, golden duck. So happy days. Thank you so much for watching. If you still don't do that, you can click probably someone here. There is the red button to subscribe to the channel, to be on time and for everything what's happened here. I'll be very happy for that. So have a good day, evening, afternoon, whatever you do. I hope you're happy and see you in next video. Take care guys.
Let it go.